Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the quality presets on Dune Awakening. To do it, go to the settings. Now go to the graphics and you'll find the quality presets at the very top. You can set it to low, medium, high, ultra, auto, or custom. So the quality preset, if not set to custom, then it will just adjust all the other settings in the graphics section based on what you select. So like the low will have low quality but greater performance, especially on some older devices, and the ultra, for example, will have the highest quality but may have a lower performance if your device isn't as powerful as it should be for the ultra mode. You can also set it to auto, so it'll adjust everything based on your actual specifications. And remember to just apply the change if it asks you to. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.